Continuing with the tip series, I want to talk about generating ideas. Disclaimer: these are my rules, not the rules. Use it, improve it, or trash it. Tip 2. You sit down, open Ableton Live or your favorite digital audio workstation to start making a new track. The feeling is great. Probably start adding a kick, some elements for the rest of the drum, the bass, then the melody. As soon as you're happy with the results, you jump to the structure while probably making a few tweaks to the mix. Up to that point, all is looking great. Question here is, are you sure this is the best idea you can come up with? Instead of the scenario I talked about, I usually create an idea today, another tomorrow, and probably 2 more on the consecutive days. Every idea used to be 4 bars long. Just the groove of the track. Different drums. Different chord progression. Or as simple as just diff kick allow me to consider a new idea as alternative. After that, I export the 4 loops into an MP3 and listen later out of the computer. It's really important to do passive listening without watching the arrangement. That first impression probably led me to do an improved version of one of the ideas. But guess what? I never choose the first idea as the best one. By making few ideas, then deciding which one is the proper to be converted into a song, you're filtering different instances of creativity. We all have different states of creativity. Not all the ideas are good, not all are bad. We're not every day the same. Taking into consideration that if you're browsing music to play as a DJ, it usually takes to listen to a few bars to decide which song is a yes and which is a no. So, spending more time creating an idea and comparing it to different ideas is a good way to avoid composing a song that is not solid enough to be a song.